In front of me is Google Pixel 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. First of all, you need to launch your keyboard and tap on this icon of a microphone at the top right corner. If you don't have it, don't worry, just tap on this gear one and select voice typing. Now use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and also check out all of those other options if you want to. Then go back to your keyboard and tap on Now Visible Microphone. Hit while using the app and start typing. If you never used it before, make sure to tap on Allow as well. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wanna stop, you can pause or tap on the same microphone. Now, if you want to, you can also click on your microphone and select tiny icon that will appear right next to it on the left. This one. Then hit next, select Done and enjoy using voice typing from this toolbar. To delete text, tap on this button with an X. To move your toolbar around, hold it, drag it and place it. To manage some available options, click on this button on the left. And to go back to standard keyboard, click on keyboard 1. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!